EnvyPak Insight's patent-pending full-window paper envelope has received USPS automation letter postage rate approval. Designed with automation in mind, EnvyPak Insight includes moisture-activated flaps and is mail insertion compatible. Made in the USA with polyester and sustainable paper, EnvyPak Insight is 100% recyclable. Its zero-trim manufacturing design minimizes material scrap, making it more environmentally responsible than die-cut, fold, and seal envelopes. Please contact one of our customer service or sales reps to learn more.